Target Trading Academy.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Dan O'Brien with Target Trading Academy, and today's video covers the trade submissions that were sent to me on the big CPI day. So this morning the CPI, or the inflation data, came out and it was a little bit better than what the market was expecting, and we had a huge rally. But I only received trade submissions from two people, Tom and Paul. All of these trades are live. All of Tom's trades are in the ES, and all of Paul's trades are in the micro ES. They did a lot of trades. They were active. So we have a total of 22 trades, 16 winners, 6 losses, and no break-evens. We'll get started with Tom. Okay, Tom's first trade here is a long at 942 for a winner. And this one is a short at 1239. That's all one trade there for another winner. And we have a long here at 1256. He started here, the market bounced, he started buying as the market was rallying and covered there for a winner. And then here at well, actually this is all together. That was a partial exit because it didn't trade through the top yet, and he added more here and then started to really get out of the whole position at that point. So that's really one trade there at 1256. Next up, this is a short at 1315 and a nice runner there for a winner, and then at 1325 a small winner going long, opposite direction. And then 1351 long for a winner. And then over here at 1402, an accumulation of long. Started to get out of some, said let me buy some more, and then said maybe better get out of that. So that's really all one trade there at 1402. So well done in his live account for Tom, $2,500. Good work. Okay, these are all Paul's trades. Our first one here is 958 for a long in the micro ES. His live account winner. And then 1050, we have a long and a winner, small win. And then at 1058, a long and a loss. And then at 1122, looks like, we have a long and a loss. And then at 1130, a long, and he got some range extension there for a winner. And then this is an error right here. But at 1219, we have a long and a loss. And then at 1228, a short and range extension for a nice winner there. And then here at 1240, a short and a winner. Bounced up off that support level very quickly, so we got out of the trade. Good move there. And then at 1246, we have a short and another winner. And then at 1256 down here, we have a short, just a real small amount of range extension, and then it turned, so you had a partial loss there. Okay, 1303, long, and he had to sit through a lot of this, but it never traded through the trailing stop enough to take him out, so he wound up getting that range extension here. Market came off of a resistance level, but still he let the program do its work. That was another winner, a 1303 trade. And then we have here 1330. He's looking for a breakout through the resistance, but he wound up buying right at resistance. So next time, Paul, you're going to have to buy it lower, or just pause a little bit just in case, because you're at resistance, it doesn't come down just the way it did. So that's a loss, partial loss. See, he took one off right away, wasn't liking it, and then it dropped through a stop. And then at 1343, we have a long and a winner. And then his last trade here was probably his best. So it's 1453, one target off, and then the runner where it trades through a stop by enough. This one wasn't enough, and it did here for a nice winner. So once again, Paul had several winners and several losses. 1, 2, 3, well, all 6 losses were from Paul, And he still, using the micros, was still up at the end of the day $112.50. So if that was in the ES, it would be $1,112.50. So good work. And once again, it proves that as long as you keep the losses small and allow the winning trades to run out, if they do, like in here, this is a lot of back and forth, but when it came down, it was temporary. There wasn't anything big. Trailing stop kept him in it. The machine learning said, yeah, it was a little choppy in here, but again, the other portion of the program, the stop wasn't hit when the bars went blue again, because machine learning said it was going to go up, and the HFT traders were bullish, and the trending algo went back up into a trend. You really, let the program do its thing. Let it run. So keep the losses small. Allow yourself to accept big winners, and like Paul, in the end, hopefully you'll do all right. Paul certainly has been. Okay, that is it for our trade submissions. All right, so it was a pretty wild day. As I said, it was the inflation day, a little bit better than expected. Although the market was pretty slow, actually, it did have a huge range extension on a daily basis. I believe the S&P was up nearly 5.5% in one day, and the NASDAQ maybe 7%, so an enormous move. But if you would like to come and join our current students like Tom and Paul, and of course many others, where they swear by their indicators and not at them, just contact us through our Facebook page or our website, and we'd be happy to get more information out to you. Until the next video, trade well.